Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nightlight on Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the toolbar in the bottom right corner of our screen. Then you'll be able to find the nightlight somewhere around here. If not, we can click on the pen button and then add different buttons like a nightlight. Now when we go back, we can click on it to activate or deactivate it. Now, if you want to customize the settings for the nightlight, we can click on the start, navigate to the settings, open system, and then display. Right here we can find the nightlight. Click on the arrow next to it, and here you'll be able to adjust the strength of the nightlight, as well as schedule it for a specific time of a day, for example from sunset to sunrise, or set our own hours manually right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.